I'm gonna show you guys how to make a tea. It's pretty simple, of course. First thing you gotta do is pick whatever flavor tea you want. Okay, so pretty much myself, I'm gonna drink the chai tea. I'm also gonna add fiber and the aloe vera. So pretty much, first step, you wanna get your mango aloe vera. You're gonna put one, just like that, and throw in your water. You can put 12 ounces of hot or cold water, really depends on how you wanna drink it. And after, you're gonna get a scoop of the fiber. So a scoop of fiber. The fiber already has its own scoop inside as well. And then the tea. I picked chai tea today. It's half a teaspoon, all right? Half a teaspoon. And then you're just gonna mix everything together. So it's pretty simple. Now you can get to enjoy it. And let me try it. Definitely.